Hello, hello. Ura je prezgodaj o'clock. Šele zbudila sem se. Like 30 minutes ago. Zdaj se moram zrihtati in pol gremo na kon. Na mej nevidnega. Ok, ja. Zdaj bom naredila transition do tega, ko bom zrihtala. Let's go. Tada! Ok, tukaj imam te horns. Ja, niso prišle contacts on time, tako da zdaj bom pač bila a blind Loki. Anyway. I'm ready to go! Totalno mi ni vzela 1 uro pa pol. It's fine. Hello! Oh my god. Hello! Budu vlogu. Hello! Budi. Look at that slave. Oh my god, Kato.
Grinding, so ranking
Honestly, ni to bad.
Kaj ni bad?
Kolona.
Kolona? Ma sej ne.
Ayo. Ayo. Pač. 8 down. Look at her take a picture. Yes, Queen! Show him! Dina je šla na prejudging za cosplay contest. I mi da se tukaj fuliramo. Supportamo. Go Dina, yeah! That was too loud. Guys, glih ker sem si kupila Astarion shirt. I'm so fucking happy. Ta sranje je bil 20 evrov. It's worth it, da. Zdaj gremo na cosplay catwalk. The line is huge, okay? I'm Sanja.
She's a Lala. She's a fanboy.
Koliko imaš kvadraten telefon, da ne vem kam Lala, ko so si pinki, pa sem pa jaz zelena, pač okej. Oh yeah, queen! Oh shit, there you go, walk it off. Oh shit! Oh! 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 Guys, jaz sem, ne vem, zmagala cosplay catwalk, I guess da je to zmagala, or people liked me, I don't know, ampak Mystery box. Mystery box. Otvorila sam ga on stage. Ampak, yeah, wait, let me, Actually, okay, majica. Stranger Things. And these things. Okay, the majice bom pokazala. But I got this in free art od enega Tropex Art, meni se zdi, da se imenuje, na Instagramu, which I really like. And I want that shit. And now I'm still processing, but oh my fucking god, I am shook to my core. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I can't believe that. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Oh my god, that was so amazing. I got a fucking waffle. To sam iskala po cijelom konu, by the way. Is this a nightlight? No, I got a waffle. Temna čokolada, Nutella pa lešnik.
I'm not excusing her, but she's hot. Ste vi u redu? O moj glas me sam.
Collecting money because I am in need of some new proteges.
I volunteer
Please. Give me as much money as you can.
Oh shit. Fuck them up. God damn. God damn. Yes! Okay. I love it though. Oh shit, yes, queen! She ate that shit down! Yes, you will! Yes! Pokemon! Gotta catch up! Woo! God! Yes, sir! Queen! Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes! Yes, I'm Aurora, by the way. Yes. Damn. Damn.
Your turn.
Oh.
Do it.
Look, pazi za to, pazi za to. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Go. Hey.
What the fuck? I didn't know you could actually do it.
Now you.
Ja
Your
lahko sem
turn.
padel s konja.
Fuck him up.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh, all around. Ooh. Yes. Hey!
Put my hands down there. Oh no, I can't do it. Bros hate crying pigeons.
Oh, they made a cute little heart. They're gonna fall, guys. We're watching pigeons. This is like the foreplay. Just like,
You think so?
Ufam da ti se cura znako, ne more reći da vijaš igre sam na rano. Ufam da ti se curaš, da se ti ovca poseljeta. Ufam da se ti do nog podela na glavo. Ufam da te komar u snega ne rišće. Ufam da bo tvoj McDonald's krompirčak mrzel. Ja ti steno, Jebote. Nice. Thank you. Wow, zjesz głośno.
How do you even get this far?
What? I don't know. Hey, it worked. Do you watch corn?
Have you watched porn?
Right now. Have you ever worn wigs?
No, I have not.
Will you ever wear wigs?
I don't think so.
Oh! Dude je grah na konu, pač kritično stanje. Kritično stanje. Beautiful Jinx. Oh my god, yes.
Dobar dan ljudje, Jinx. In moj idol za cosplay je pač Leko Geona Sigma.
Stop, that's so nice. Oh my god, I love it.
True fan moment, W.
Oh my god, right in front of me! I'm gonna cry! Yes, win! Ah! Tom! Yes! Oh my god! They ate so hard! I like her. Oh, I like all of them.
Ela vem pro baile funk querendo nos provocar. Só do tambozão pra brincadeira começar. Ela vem pro baile funk querendo nos provocar. Vira a cara.
Caught between the black and white, not quite either day or night. She's perfectly misaligned. I'm caught up in her design, and now it connects to mine.
don't even know what to say, to be honest, ker je tako... Oh. Guys, ta dan je bil tok wild. Honestly, ne morem verjeti, kaj vse se je zgodil. A drag queen hugged me. Oh. Vem, nisem tega ujela na kameri, zato ker sploh nisem vedela, da se bo to sranje zgodil, but it did, and I still did not process tako pol tega dneva, tako še kar procesiram. I dissociated, I don't know what the fuck happened today, ampak the gods smiled upon me, finally. I am not okay. Oh my god. Prvo un win, pol the drag queen. Oh, I was killing it on Just Dance. I'm tripping the fuck out. Like, I can't even cap to you. Zdaj sem šla all out na partiju. Like, I was dancing on like those tiny stages, ki so jih imeli za drag queens. Jaz sem bila like, you know what, I might as well take the fucking spot, you know. Ker itak pač nobenega ni bilo. I was like, whatever. In sem šla tja plesat. Folk je bil crazy. Yes, queen, that's what I like to see. Yeah, shit je bil insane. Best day of my motherfucking life. I followed that drag queen because I love her so much. Pač še ime je imela iconic Akira ve. I love you, woman. Anyway, I'm sorry. Jaz moram iti spat. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Bye. Dobro jutro. Totalno sem pozabila snemat, ker se upadam z tem šitom že dobre pol ure. Sama ta šit delat je fucking insane. Ker pač ima tako, a veš, un korset, tako in the back, in pač noben mi ga ne more zategniti, right? In pa sem se jaz tam sama tam struglala, tako šla sem v ogledalo and I was like, please. Anyway, moj glas je še vedno klej, jaz sem mislila, da ga ne bom imela od toga, ko sem kričala včeraj. Jaz sem excited za danes, jaz gonna be mom, do 6 je, jaz imam bus nazaj za ob 8, so... No, zdaj se idem naprej rihtat in pol se vidimo tam.
Zdaj smo imeli photoshoot za Telekom. I don't know, but we got this. Dula sem kokice. Pa balinčke. Insane, what the hell?
Hear a recording of your own voice.
Oh my god.
When you gain 10 pounds for a role and then remember you're not an actor. You finish a math problem and everyone's arguing whether the answer was 66 or 67, but you got -4.
That's so real.
My life.
That's so real.
That face you make while people are singing you happy birthday. Yeah. When you eat all the pizza rolls and remember the good times when you still had pizza rolls. Fuck round.
Vzela sem si tako en soap, pa neko natural like oil thing, ki je rekel, da je tako za vse. Like you can use it for like hair and like skin and shit. In jaz sem pač to vzela, because I have really dry hair in hočem to uporabiti tako za lase, ne. Tako ful dobro dejansko diši in tip je bil tako ful prijazen and I was like, girl, this is all natural, this is all you. It smells really good, so I really like it. I love that guy, oh my god, he was so nice. Šla sem si po burek, ker sem umirala od lakote in totalno nisem čakala pol ure zdaj v tisti koloni. Mal prej sem šla domov, tako okrog 5 ali nekaj takega sem šla domov, ker well, they came to pick me up. In kakor sem jaz slišala, je eventa bilo konc tako ob 6. Po moje ne bom zamudila veliko v tisti 1 uri. Vzela sem bulldog ramen, 2, ker sem vedno hotela to probati. And I never got the chance, tako da zdaj sem jih kupila in bom probala. Vzela sem si burek, pol ure sem čakala, by the way, za ta burek, ampak je bil dober burek, so it was worth it. Pol pa, igrala sem Just Dance, tako pol ure, v unih petkah. Yeah, nothing can stop a bitch from playing that game. Anyway, see you when I'm home. Prišla sem domov, naredila sem si fucking pudding, ker so bili moji sugar levels low as fuck. Zdaj grem spat. because fuck no, vse me boli. Se vidimo jutri, ko bom naredila haul in pol je to to. Zdaj je tako naslednji dan in lahko naredim haul. Anyway, to je vse, kar sem dobila in kupila. Never mind, moj telefon je padel tako iz fucking tega tripoda in yeah. She does not fit in here, which is insane. Kar sem zmagala prvo v uni mystery box, takrat na catwalku. Prvo je bil ta nek Power Ranger, ta pinky one. Stranger Things majica. Kar tako, sploh še pogledala nisem, kako izgleda, so I mean. Oh bitch, to actually izgleda fire, what the hell? What the hell? What? Tukaj piše Stranger Things. Pa je to od zadnji? That's insane, I love this shirt, what the fuck? Sem dobila to skodelico. Pickle Rick. Look at that. That's so cute. Pol sem dobila od Squid Game. That player, I don't know him, zato ker nisem pogledala Squid Game, girl, I don't know. Ampak, I'm still gonna keep it, because I think it's cute. Bubbles! Zdaj pa kar sem jaz kupila. Most of the things je od Astariona. By the way, kupila sem si Poki z strawberry flavor. I got a shirt. But you're gonna tell me this doesn't look amazing? In pol od zadnji tega sploh opazila nisem. Je fucking the dice thing, bitch. Shut the fuck up. It's right here. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. Dude makes this. To so zdaj focus. Ne, pozabila sem ime, ampak je basically neki iz The Witcherja, tako Yennefer, something. And I love Yennefer, tako da there was Geralt and Yennefer, and I just, I got Yennefer, okay. That's how it looks. And it smells like lilac or something like that, just to spomnim jaz to pravilno, like this how it looks. Smells even better, like, oh my god. I got this one. Clenot Shan. Okay. Dve choices sta bila, koliko se jaz spomnim. Tako with clothes or ali without. And of course the pervert that I am sem jaz pač dala without. So here it is. In pa sem si vzela še ta pin od Astariona. In to je bilo basically to, kar sem fucking kupila. Ostalo so tako just a bunch of fucking stickers. There's like a bunch of stickers. Ampak most of them sem jih dobila od Roya, ker nama je tako z Arlozom jih dobila. I was just picking shit out. This one was so fucking cool. This, I love this sign. Tega random ass lion, to ne vem od koga je actually. But they were giving free stickers, so. This one was so cute, yeah. This one. Oh, Artemis, yes. Poznam to. Oh, pa sem dobila še en random sticker. Tako, to. I think that's Pearl. Dobila tako. To sem si vzela. That shit was cute, man. Percy Jackson. Še to. A ja, pa mi je pa dal še en moj friend, ki je pač cosplayu. Je unga Mamon iz Helluva Boss, which, yes, oh my god, the dude was killing the game, you know? In pa mi je dal to, have you seen this imp text me at 666? I like money. It found. This shit was so fire. I'm keeping that, you know? Pač to je bilo basically fucking to, like, I didn't buy that many things. Hvala, da ste gledali ta po moje zelo dolg vlog. Holy shit. In ja, se vidimo v naslednjem vlogu, ki pa ne vem kdaj bo, zaradi tega, ker pač to je bil zdaj zadnji slovenski kon. Luna out!